Snacking can be part of a balanced diet and weight loss program, but you need to be smart about it. Healthy snacks can keep energy levels up, curb hunger pangs, and give you much needed nutrients. Remember though, not everyone needs snacks. Steamed red bean buns, lotus paste buns, and look, they come in whole meal versions these days. Steamed rice rolls, also known as chi chong fan, a small tub of yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of blueberries, making it high in antioxidants, and it contains probiotics. Or something as simple as 6 strawberries or an apple.